Hi, sir. This is Ray Basilio, and this is my report. Open source operating systems. So, open source operating system are software system that source code is made available to the public, allowing anyone to view, modify, and distribute the code. This accessibility fosters collaboration and innovation, enabling users to customize the OS according to their needs. This means that anyone can see how the OS works, make improvements, or customize it for their own needs. So, pwede sila makabuot-buot kung ganahan sila or dili. And then, how open source operating system works. The functionality of open source operating system parallels that of closed source system. However, the key difference lies in the ability of users to alter the source code. Users with sufficient technical expertise can customize the OS, fix bugs, and enhance performance by modifying the underlying code. This means that if someone has the right technical skills, they can customize the operating system, fix any problems, and improve its performance by modifying the code. So, di gyapon siya tantong basta-basta. As long as nakakay sakto na technical skill, maka-customize ka sa OS, maka-ayo kag mga problema sa imong OS, and improve its performance by modifying the code. So, next, open source operating system offers numerous benefits that make them appealing to individuals and organizations alike. Here are the key advantages. Cost efficiency. So, now siya free access. Most open source operating system can be downloaded and used at no cost, eliminating license fees associated with proprietary software and reduce operational cost. By avoiding expensive license, organizations can allocate resources more effectively, focusing on innovation rather than software costs. And flexibility and customization. Tailored solutions. User can modify the source code to meet specific needs, allowing for extensive customization that proprietary software typical does not permit. This adaptability is crucial for businesses that require unique software solutions and rapid development. So, open source components can accelerate development cycles, enabling organizations to implement new features quickly and efficiently. And enhance security. So, transparency. The open nature of the source code allows for continuous inspection and improvement by the community, leading to quicker identification and resolution of vulnerabilities. And community vigilance. With many eyes in the code, security issues can be addressed more rapidly than in closed source environments where updates may be slower. Open source operating system can come with several challenges that can impact the usability and security. Here is the primary disadvantages or challenges. Yung pagka-complexity, yung technical knowledge required. Yun. Open source operating system often required a higher level of technical expertise to install, configure, and maintain compared to proprietary system. Users without sufficient knowledge may find it difficult to troubleshoot issues or customize the OS effectively. So if wala kay hanaw gyud aning kon open source na operating system, medyo maglisod ka yun pod. Di siya ingon na murag friendly sa knowledge, sa part sa knowledge. Di kay siya ingon tantong friendly, dapat na yung kay kuan na hibawan ang and complexity of code. The underlying code of open source operating system can be intricate, making it challenging for users to identify and resolve problems quickly, especially if they lack programming experience. So, ato sa kuan pa lang sa ya pa lang explanation, murag mao na gyud puy tubag. sa kuan niya. Di jud ka pwede. Kung wa jud kay kuan may bawon or gamay ra. Wa kay imong murag nakunatan na experience sa programming. Security risk, vulnerability exposure. While the open nature of the source code allows for community scrutiny, it also means that vulnerabilities can be easily discovered and exploited by malicious actors. So agi po sa iyang pagka open pod no sa kuan murag open public or something na nana kay kuan gid siya aning bintang kaayo sa mga malicious actors. And dependency issues. Open source software often relies on various libraries and components, which may introduce additional vulnerabilities if those dependencies are not properly managed or updated. Compatibility issues. Hardware compatibility. Open source operating system may face challenges in compatibility with certain hardware components or peripherals. This can lead to difficulties in installation or reduced functionality compared to proprietary systems that often have better vendor support for hardware drivers. Software compatibility. Some applications may not be available or fully functional on open source operating systems, limiting users' options for software solutions compared to mainstream proprietary OS options. And open source operating systems have gained popularity for their flexibility and community-driven development. So, sikat sila. Ang Linux-based operating system is ang lima is Ubuntu, a user-friendly Linux distribution based on Debian, known for its ease of use and extensive community support. It is popular among both beginners and advanced users. Linux Mint, based on Ubuntu, Linux Mint aims to provide a more complete out-of-the-box experience by including multimedia support and user-friendly interface. Third one is Fedora, a cutting-edge Linux distribution sponsored by Red Hat, known for integrating the latest technologies and features in the open source community. Fourth one is Kali Linux, a specialized distribution designed for penetration testing and security auditing, widely used by cybersecurity professionals. Arch Linux, a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution that allows users to build their system from the ground up, catering to advanced users who prefer customization. And non-Linux based operating systems are FreeBSD, a Unix-like OS that is known for its performance and advanced networking features, often used in servers and embedded systems. React OS, an open source OS designed to be binary compatible with Windows application, allowing users to run Windows software without needing a Windows license. FreeDOS, a free operating system that is compatible with MS-DOS, allowing users to run legacy software that requires DOS. Haiku, inspired by BOS, Haiku is focused on personal computing with a clean interface and an emphasis on responsiveness. And Chromium OS, the open source version of Chrome OS, designed primarily for web application and used in Chromebooks. The rise of open source operating system, particularly Linux, has significantly transformed the landscape of software development and usage. This transformation is characterized by community-driven development, increasing adoption trends, and a commitment to transparency and collaborations. Open source operating system began gaining traction in the early 90s, with Linux emerging as a key player. Developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991, the Linux kernel provided a robust foundation for various operating systems. Its open source nature allowed developers worldwide to contribute to its growth and improvement, fostering a collaborative environment that was previously unseen in software development. This shift from proprietary to open source models had led to more exclusive approach where users can modify, distribute, and enhance the software according to their needs. The rise of open source operating system like Linux represents a paradigm shift in how software is developed and utilized. Community driven development fosters innovation, rapid issues resolutions, and transparency, making this system increasingly attractive for both personal and enterprise use. As adoption trends continue to grow across various sectors, open source operating systems are poised to play an even more significant role in shaping the future of technology. So, thank you, sir. Uh, yeah.